ó ga ọ́ fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ìyá Mohbad lahùn ó jẹ́wọ́ irú ikú tó pa ọmọ rẹ̀. Well, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one reaching us. You're welcome back onto this channel. Well, finally, Mohbad's mother reveals who killed late musician. This is so serious, it's not funny at all. Well, onto this, the mother of the late fast-rising musician, Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, has spoken for the first time since the death of the singer on Tuesday. The bereaved mother, who spoke in Yoruba language in her video making the rounds on the internet on Sunday, said she was sure that her son's death did not come from God and then that someone killed him. She said Mohbad had not rest from the moment singer and then rapper Aziz Adesina Fashola, popularly known as Naira Marley, came into his life. Naira Marley is the owner of Malian Music, the record label that formerly signed the late Mohbad. She also dismissed claims that Mohbad was not mentally ill. Also, according to her, she never knew Naira Marley until Mohbad met him. She said the late Mohbad did not have a headache and a liver problem before his death, stressing that nothing was wrong with him when he went for his last show in the Ikorodu area of Lagos State. The bereaved mother, who cried for justice for her son, said, and I quote, "I am the mother of Mohbad, Promise Oladimeji Emmanuel Ayobami. I am not dead. I am alive, but who prayed to be hurt by the death of a child and then be forced to speak out. All the things happening, I don't know about them, but I know that my son's death did not come from God. Someone killed him. Whoever killed my child, their house will be hot. There will be war there. They will grieve. The glory of that family will drown. This is for whoever killed him and then their children, because they caused me pain. I am alive, but it is not ideal for me to be talking. What do I say about my child? But I know that from the time Naira Marley came into my son's life, my son had no rest. His mind was not at rest. All the times they lied against him, I could not talk because I was not given permission to talk. I asked my son what happened. I still called that morning. He gave me money to go to the hospital. I called him from that hospital. He said, "Mommy, something is happening." When they came for him, he was not there. He was in the studio singing. But when he knew something was happening, he came to me. I asked him, "What is happening?" I was his life and then his heaven. He said he came because he heard something happened and then that they took them. Well, he said he was given water and they didn't know what happened afterwards. That was when the problem started. He is dead. He sees me, but I can't see him. We started going from place to place. My son and I, he could not sleep. Till Promise died, he was afraid. Sometimes when he was supposed to attend shows, he would not go. They would say Naira and his crew were coming. They were beating him every day. People would call me, even people I don't know, till he died. I also didn't rest. I was afraid and frightened before he died. I spent 10 days in his house. I left on a Saturday and then heard on Monday that he was dead. I still spoke to his wife that Monday. It was about 1 hour later that I received a call that he was dead. Well, all the things they are saying are lies. They said he was mentally ill. Don't you understand that they call mental illness? Don't you understand what they call mental illness? Promise was mad, but he was married and then had children. People are not afraid of God and then the dead. My son was not mentally ill. Those who claim he was mentally ill, please ask them for the name of the hospital that confirmed it. Where is the result of the text? I am not dead, but I don't know what to do. He left his wife and children behind. He is survived by others, including his brother and then me. From the time Naira Marley came into his life, I knew Promise was in trouble. He is dead, but he didn't enjoy his life. I won't lie to you. Where Promise went to, I will also go there one day. All of us will still go there. Let us be careful. All those saying all kinds of things. Fear God and then fear the dead. If Promise could appear to us, he should do so that he would explain all that happened. My son was not mentally ill. I never knew Naira Marley until Promise met him. Please save me. They have hurt me through my son's death. See what happened to my son who had so much glory. He didn't have a headache and then had no liver problem. There was nothing wrong with him. When he went for his last show, he went to the show in Ikorodu. I don't have any power. Who will fight for me? All the things they are saying are lies. They said he was mentally ill. Don't you understand what they call mental illness? Promise was mad, but he was married and they had children. People are not afraid of God and the dead. My son was not mentally ill. Those who claim he was mentally ill, please ask them for the name of the hospital that confirmed it. Where is the result of the test? I am not dead, but I don't know what to do. He left his wife and child behind. He is survived by other, including his brother and then me. He is survived by others, including his brother, that means get brother, and me. From the time Naira Marley came into his life, I knew Promise was in trouble.
Una don start to dey give this one go the mama house, go give mama money. This one go meet wife, go give wife money. This one go meet father, go give father money. Wetin dey happen? That one no be solution o. That one no be the case. Make una no use money cover anything. Make una bring all of them come out, make everybody come talk. We want make everybody come talk wetin you know. Na wetin we dey fight for now.
Justice.
That money now wey una dey give, that one no go solve any problem.
You no solve anything.
Make they come out o.
Nigerians are boiling.
Make they come out because now they say they wan go dig the grave come out. Since how many days now? They no wan go dig the grave come out. Wetin dey happen? Una wan use money cover
up everything.
The people, the evidence wey we don gather for ground, wey we go use the evidence, una don cover am. We need to know wetin dey happen o, because all this one wey una dey do no be wetin we dey do, wetin we want. Make una bring everybody come table, make everybody come talk wetin happen.
Talk wetin you know.
Una go give wife money, go give people wey una dey give money, una know whether na dem kill am.
I tell you.
People wey una dey give money, you go see this one, you go give this one money. Una know whether na dem kill the boy.
We no even say make dem no give money, but after the proper investigation, then you can start dashing out money.
This case now don dey go how many days?
Wetin happen?
Don dey go how many days? Abeg, which day una wan start the investigation? Which day una wan start? Which day they wan start am? Because now we no fit wait again.
We cannot wait.
The right thing wey una suppose to do, the evidence wey we don gather for ground, wey una suppose to use that evidence. Una dey give money. This one go give wife money. This one una dey.
The money wey dem suppose to find run evidence. Run the show.
Me, I no understand though. This our Nigeria, I don't know why they say every time una go dey use something dey cover something.
I tire.
Una go see truth o, una go dey use something dey cover truth. which day una wan make this country better? If una continue like this, another person go still come do the same
worse.
thing. They go
Say
still
at the end
cover
of
am.
it all, say they will cover up now.
Wetin una want make dis boy spirit? Wetin una want? The right thing una no gree do am. Dis boy don come out come talk say see wetin happen. You don use am sing. Abeg wetin una want make you do again?
Which evidence again we dey find?
Which evidence una dey
We
find?
don see videos of how dem threa ten am.
We don see videos, we don hear voice notes, we don see everything. Wetin una dey wait for? The person wey dey involved, why una no call am wherever that person dey? Why una no drag am come table make una ask am questions?
Yes.
Una still dey sit down dey say we wan go dig. How many days una wan make the thing spoil before una go go dig am out? Because me I no understand. Una wan make the thing spoil before una go dig am out. The truth wey dey, una dey use another thing dey cover am. Days now don dey go, this matter don dey.
Even the female musician don come out. Their record label female musician don talk say na dem. Say you know when they plan the attack, na make comot for the record label. Which evidence again?
Una dey find which evidence again? Una dey find which evidence?
Nigerians are not sleeping, no. No sleeping.
The father wey una dey go in house go dey see the nonsense video wey I watch last. Some guys go the father house go dey say make he dey sing. Shey na the solution be that?
Say make the guy sing.
Make the man dey sing for una. Why Nigerians? Why we be like?
Even the man sef come dey sing. Wetin dey sweet am?